struggling to do daily life activities due to laziness, or if you are suffering from hypothyroidism, practice Ujjayi Pranayama with Jalandhar Bandha. Namaskar, I am Asha and you are watching Art by Asha. In this video, I am going to talk about Ujjayi Pranayama. I will be telling you the process, the benefits, and who can perform this pranayama. You should also know under which medical conditions you should practice this pranayama or you shouldn't practice this pranayama. To know all of this, stay tuned in this video till the end. To do Ujjayi Pranayama, you need to sit in a comfortable meditative posture such as Padmashana, Siddhasana or Sankhyaśana. Keep your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. We will first practice Ujjayi Pranayama, then we will learn how to do Ujjayi Pranayama with Jalandhar Bandha, which is throat lock. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Focus on your breath, make it slow and steady. Now comes the trickier part, where you have to make it easy. We will start doing it by keeping your mouth open. Keep your mouth open and breathe with constraining your throat, like the way when we do to blow hot air out from our mouth, like if we constrain our throat and then we blow the air, so a hot air comes out. We have to do it firstly with keeping our mouth open, and then we will do the same by keeping our mouth closed. It is quite difficult, but with practice it will be easy. Let's try. Now you have to repeat the same process but by your nostrils. Create a gentle hissing or ocean sound as the air passes through your throat. The sound should be smooth and stable. Focus on the sound. While exhaling, also keep your throat constrained. Repeat this process of inhalation and exhalation in a slow way, focusing on the sound. Try maintaining a ratio of 1:2 of inhalation and exhalation. That is, the time duration while exhaling should be double of that of inhalation. Repeat this pranayama for 5 to 15 minutes. Gradually increase the time. When you are comfortable doing this pranayama, we will move on to the next step, which is doing Ujjayi Pranayama with Jalandhar Bandha. To apply Jalandhar Bandha in Ujjayi, we will start by the inhalation of Ujjayi. Inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs completely while maintaining the throat constraints. After completing the inhalation, hold your breath, Kumbhaka. Tuck your chin towards your chest, creating a firm lock of the throat. This is the Jalandhar Bandha or throat lock. Repeat the process. Inhale with Ujjayi, retain the breath, apply Jalandhar Bandha, then exhale with Ujjayi. Practice this for 5 to 8 times in the beginning and then gradually increase and practice it for 5 to 15 minutes as per your comfort. Now let's look into the benefits of Ujjayi Pranayama. It helps in balancing the Vishuddha, which is the throat chakra, which is associated with the communication, expression and truthfulness. It slightly massages the thyroid gland, which helps in regulating the thyroid hormone, which is very effective in the case of hypothyroidism. It balances metabolism, reduces stress and anxiety, enhances blood circulation, supports detoxification, it regulates hormonal balance in the body and increases energy level in the body. Now let us look into who can perform this pranayama and who cannot perform this pranayama. If you have high blood pressure or if you have any heart disease or cervical spondylitis, you should avoid this pranayama. The retention of breath should be under your comfort limit. If you feel discomfort, you should immediately release the breath and relax. Go to normal breathing system. With this, we come to the end of this video. Hope you like this video. To get more informative videos on yoga, meditation and pranayama, please subscribe to my channel and press onto the bell notification icon to get the first update of each video. And don't you like this video? Do comment, like, and share your thoughts in the comment section. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay safe, and bye-bye.